Solana, all things considered, is at $28.20 with a buy in a big way. Solana is a buy and buy at 18.92 with signs of bullishness on a 7-day price chart. Solana SIM 810 shows that first help level for Solana is at 28.20, which is different from what most people think. July 2023 in this video. We'll walk you through Solana's price now and a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions. Market research shows that over the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of $1.84, taking the total value of the digital money market to $1.95 trillion. 617,921,172. This is very different from what most people think, which is that the market is worth $1 trillion. The total amount of trades still stands at 247,659,7794, which is a huge amount. Bitcoin's share of the entry market is 49.56%, while Ethereum's share is 16.33%. This is a very big difference, and it's what caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $30,513.42, a drop of 0.19%. During the past 24 hours, the value of other digital currencies like Ethereum has dropped by 0.51% to $19, 15.50, showing that July 2023. In this video, what is the most likely short-term price forecast for Solana? It's a good idea to invest in it, despite what most people think. At the time this blog was published, BNB was trading at 244.84 cents after a 0.97 cent price change. Solana is a good buy at 18.92. And its price streaks show signs of bullishness on a 7-day price chart. XRP, the local currency, has gone up by 1.54 and is now trading at 48 cents, or so they think. Moreover, after losing 0.77 of its value, Coco's BCX dropped to 60 cents, which is usually a very big drop. These kinds of events show that the market is generally going in a very downward direction at the moment. Right now, a very large, generally bad drop can be seen all over the crypto market in a quiet way. Solana support and resistance are important technical indicators that are used to find key price levels where the trend could change. Solana Sol's levels of help and trouble are, in every way, as follows. Solana execution, the price of Solana Sol is at 18.92, up 2.53. And the kind of beyond 24 hours and especially has a value change of 11.16 over the past week, which shows that Solana support, resistance levels, and so on are easy to understand. For example, 1 day's trading volume for BTC is 381,747,657.00 US dollars. While the total market cap came to 758,286,180 US dollars, which shows that July 2023 in this video, what most people think is a short-term cost expectation for Solana is actually a good guess. Contrary to what most people think. They're actually very close to 400,764,235 and are available for use out of 551,36,600, so Solana's support and obstruction levels, and so on, are incredibly high. Solana price analysis, Sol price analysis, for July 152 to 23. Showing how these events really show that the market is going in a really downward direction at the moment, which is really big. We use Relative Strength Index, RSI, Moving Average and Uniqueness, MACD backing levels. Solana has broken all of its support levels. And things don't look good for the crypto market because the total trading volume is still at $2 billion. All over the crypto market, there has been a really big and sad drop, with only the US dollar moving in a normal way. The MACD indicator usually shows a self-fundamental signal at the moment because the MACD line is usually moving below the exceptionally signal line, which in a real sense means a special signal. Bears are mostly just looking for more signs of how one day's trading volume for BTC is 381,747,657.00 US dollars, while the total market cap is 7,582,864,180 US dollars, which usually means that July 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to take the Solana cost exam for now or sometime next week. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked Bitcoin price prediction. BTC stays at $30,500 as the market waits for June inflation data. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is $30,628, which is a rise of almost 0.5% from Wednesday. As the market waits for June's inflation figures to be released, the cryptocurrency market is on standby to see how it might affect Bitcoin's performance. Notably, CBOE has refiled 5 Bitcoin ETFs that now include Coinbase monitoring agreements. This adds to the growing interest in the cryptocurrency market and the new things that could happen in it. The crypto market is waiting for June's inflation data to come out. Inflation in the US is expected to drop to its lowest level in more than 2 years in June. But prices for core goods and services are still going up, which suggests that the Federal Reserve is likely to keep raising interest rates. Economists think that the consumer price index will slow to 3.1%, which would be the slowest rate since March 2021. This could make people more likely to think that the Federal Reserve will tighten its monetary policy, which could affect Bitcoin's performance as buyers look at how interest rates and inflationary pressures might change. Thoughts from Bybit's head financial engineer on predicting BTC price growth during rate slowdown. Chen thinks that the market price could go up in the fourth quarter, but a full-fledged bull market might not happen until 2024. For this to happen, rate hikes would have to stop. BTC would have to drop a lot, and legal questions would have to be answered. Even though these predictions were made, Bitcoin has stayed steady at around $30,000. Which is a 100% rise since the beginning of the year. Notably, Bitcoin has done well even when the market is down, which suggests that experienced traders may have taken advantage of this. People are buying more Bitcoin because they think its price will go up in the future, which has been in the news. Investors may be interested in how the market is expected to bounce back in the fourth quarter and how there may be a bull market in the years to come. This confidence, combined with Bitcoin's strong performance so far in 2022, has probably kept interest and demand high, which has helped keep Bitcoin's price going up. CBOE refiles 5 Bitcoin ETFs with Coinbase surveillance agreements. The fact that CBOE Global Markets and Coinbase now have a surveillance sharing